Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about nouns in English. Nouns are very important because they help us name things. Whether you are new to learning English or just want to improve your grammar, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. And without further ado, let's get started. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are everywhere in our sentences. For example, in the sentence, the cat is sleeping. Cat is a noun because it names an animal. Types of nouns. Now let's look at the different types of nouns. There are several kinds and each one is used in a different way. Common nouns. Common nouns are general names for people, places, things, or ideas. They are not specific. For example, cat, city, and car are common nouns. We use common nouns in sentences like, I saw a cat on the street. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names for people, places, things, or ideas. They always start with a capital letter. For example, Fluffy, a cat's name, New York, a city, and Toyota, a car brand, are proper nouns. We use proper nouns in sentences like Fluffy is a cute cat. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are things you can see, touch, taste, hear, or smell. They are physical objects. For example, apple, dog, and chair are concrete nouns. We use them in sentences like, the apple is red. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are ideas or concepts. You cannot see, touch, taste, hear, or smell them. For example, love, happiness, and freedom are abstract nouns. We use them in sentences like, love is important. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are words that name a group of people or things. For example, team, family, and flock are collective nouns. We use them in sentences like, the team is winning. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things you can count, like book or apple. You can say one book or two apples. Uncountable nouns are things you cannot count, like water or sugar. You do not say one water or two sugars. We use them in sentences like, I have 3 books and there is some water in the glass. Plural and singular nouns. Singular nouns name one thing like dog, and plural nouns name more than one thing like dogs. We often add an S to make nouns plural. We use them in sentences like, the dog is playing and the dogs are playing. Possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show ownership. We add an apostrophe and an S to the noun. For example, the cat's toy means the toy belongs to the cat. And the children's books means the books belong to the children. We use them in sentences like, the cat's toy is on the floor. To sum up, nouns are an essential part of English. They help us name people, things, places, or ideas. And remember the different types of nouns I told you: common, proper, concrete, abstract, collective, countable, uncountable, plural, singular, and possessive. And keep practicing and you'll get better every day. Thanks for watching. Now here's a question for you. Can you name a proper noun and a common noun from your daily life? Drop your answers in the comments down below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time.